sat down with an investigator for a locally based insurance company to find out what you need to know about that.
Debby was mainly a flooding event, and many homeowners are discovering their homeowner's insurance does not cover their damage. Still, you need to start with your homeowner's insurance company to navigate you through this process.
The first thing you need to do when impacted by a storm is call your insurance company. But many in the Bay Area are finding out they don't have the right coverage. Ruben Delgado is an investigator with Heritage Insurance based in Tampa. He says his company is swamped with calls from anxious customers.
There's a lot of water in these storms. You don't necessarily have to live in a flood zone to experience flood water. So any water that's coming into your house from the ground, right, that's considered flood. Our policy, the homeowner's policy, will not cover flood.
Your homeowner's policy would cover damage by wind from storms. You need a separate flood insurance policy to cover the flood damage Debby brought. Delgado warns to not sign anything from any contractor without going through your insurance company first.
What gets some people in trouble is they trust some contractors, they trust some other people that try to get involved in the process or try to show up to your house and say, I'm going to inspect your roof for free. And they come down and go, well, now you have a leak, right? And we need to look at your bathroom because your bathrooms are probably leaking. And then before you know it, they're tearing out bathrooms. They're doing a lot of things to your house. And you have no idea what's going on.
No matter what type of damage you have, Delgado says you should call your homeowner's insurance company so they can document the damage and navigate you through the process of fixing it. Make sure you mediate immediate damage, save receipts, take photos of the damage, and send before photos. Delgado tells me this storm should have homeowners who don't have flood insurance reevaluating that decision.
The rivers are overflowing in areas where normally they wouldn't take on water. So it's something I think everybody needs to pay attention to. I think that is a conversation you have to have with your insurance agent, a serious conversation of whether they need it or not.
If you don't have flood insurance, you should contact FEMA. You could receive some federal disaster emergency assistance. However, you will likely have to pay for some repairs out of pocket. There are federal loans you may qualify to help you restore your home to pre-disaster condition.
When I saw all of these images of all this unbelievable flooding, one of my first thoughts were, we are already in a insurance crisis in the state of Florida. Is this going to make rates go up even more?
And I asked the executives at Heritage, I've asked several insurance experts about this. They tell me they don't think that it will. They say that's because this was largely a flood event. As far as flood insurance rates go, most flood policies in Florida are underwritten by the National Flood Insurance Program, which is part of FEMA. So we'll have to wait and see on that front. But as far as the local companies and what they're seeing, they don't think this one's going to impact them.
I always learn a lot when you're here. Thank you for that, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, better call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN, or you